He's got him covered.
1, 2, 3.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Gotta wonder how this is gonna end, Byron.
Whatever happens, it's not gonna be good. I can tell you that.
Tossed around like a rag doll.
But he's got to capitalize now. Oh boy, he is rolling. Look at this.
Oh, he turns it around. Set him up.
Russian leg sweep. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's not looking good here. He's always up for a challenge, and tonight is no different.
That confidence he had on his face at the start of this match sure has disappeared, and with good reason. He's taken quite a beating.
Bump handle.
Bump handle into the neck breaker. Wow. Just when you thought he had nothing left.
You're going to want to see your internist after a slam like that.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Going to be tough to bounce back from that one.
Oh, nasty impact.
We've got a cover. One gets the shoulder up. Wow, what's it going to take?
How'd he do that?
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle. He's not going to like this. Ooh, what impact.
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. 1, 2. And he got a near fall out of it.
Wow, that's pure power, guys.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Just getting carried around here.
And you have to wonder what the end game is here, Cole.
He's in trouble.
Lands this, and he is done. To tear the features clean off your face. He can't take much more.
Byron, he looks like he has no idea where he is.
Yeah, he is definitely on Dream Street, Michael.
What a punch!
I'm not sure how much he has left.
He might have it. Got him good there.
Yeah, let's take another look.
He's got the shoulders down. 1, 2. True testament to grit.
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
Oh boy, he is rolling. There's no denying that the rigors of this Extreme Rules match are starting to take their toll on these superstars.
How these superstars are even still in this.
Incredible.
There was a lot of force behind that one.
Bump handle.
Bump handle into the...
Ooh, neck breaker. Now it's time to catch.
And will this be it? 1, 2. Too close for comfort.
Yeah, but he's hurt, guys.
He's making a statement here with this attack. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
I don't know how much more damage one person can take. I don't care how tough you are. Looking at it here. Oh, what impact.
Nice. Shut it down.
Here he goes for the win. 2. What is keeping this competitor going?
Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
When this guy's on, look out.
Face first off the barricade.
His shoulders are down. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Dug down deep and gets the shoulder up.
How'd he do that?
There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
There it is.
Did you hear that crack?
Sharp knee.
At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured. You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. When this guy's on, look out.
Battering ram headbutt.
Game, set, here's a cover. 1, 2, 3. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Chaos, melee, pandemonium. The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win?
Boy, this has just been pandemonium. He's making a statement here with this attack.
He's in trouble.
He can't take much more.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of this has been incredible.
Oh, what a slam.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that. There may be no coming back from this incredible beatdown.
There's got to be some point in the match where those thoughts start to creep in that it could be over. And then you got to dig down deep. Get rid of the self-doubt and continue on toward victory.
You got to believe this one's over. A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating. Things are not looking very good now. Going to have to find a way to regroup. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Both of these superstars appear to be operating on fumes here, guys. Oh, he's such a tough target.
How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me, especially given how intense the match has been.
Ooh, what impact. This has been a battle. That'll hinder your modeling career.
The end may be near, folks.
Tonight, he's going for the pin. 1, 2. And he got a near fall out of it.
It's going to take more than that.
So much force there.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Oh, there's more in their arsenal, I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it. At what point do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest? I don't know. I don't know as a WWE